So we are here. We are about to do Mount Timp at the sunrise. So it is about almost 1 a.m. We're headed to Dry Canyon, and we are going to be doing Everest Ridge. Why are we doing this, you might ask? I don't know, honestly.
Yeah, it's honestly not my top choice in hikes for a midnight hike, but we were planning to do this hike with some friends and just meet them at the top, and one dude in the groups really wanted to do this at midnight to hit the sunrise. So whether it's stupid or not, we're still gonna do Everest Ridge and meet him.
Should be about 7K vert, right?
Close to it.
7K
I've read
vert,
different
5
things.
miles-ish.
Yeah, 5 miles-ish. Somewhere between 6 and 7K vert, something like that. It'll be gnarly.
Made it here up to the saddle of Big Baldy. I'm feeling pretty beat at this point, honestly. We've gained about half the elevation, gone about half the distance to the top. It's been good though. What time is it right now? It's about 2:45, so 2 hours in. About 3 hours to make it to the top. I think we can do it, but we shall see. So we're starting the bushwhack part. So I brought some long pants to change into.
Let's see if you can get them off.
Got it.
Good job. We are definitely on the ridgeline now. We're up higher than Big Baldy. We can see it out in the distance. So, I don't know, we probably climbed about 4,000 feet-ish. Maybe I'm overestimating that, and then I'm gonna hate my life in a minute. But I think we're done with the schwack, so it's just climbing from here on out.
We're up here and I don't know what it is, but I'm starting to feel really sick. Like I just feel like puking a little bit, and I kind of want to do it just to see if that'll make it better, make me feel better, so I can keep going. I don't know. I didn't think I'd hit a low point so early on, but I'm pretty sure I'll just come out of it pretty soon here. Maybe I'll eat something, we'll see. So let the record know, I'm about to partake of my first goo. It's strawberry banana flavor, energy gel. I need energy more than ever right now. I survived the puking episode and did not puke, which is good. I think we're about halfway up from the saddle, which means we probably have like 1,000 to 1,500 feet left of elevation. And we have about an hour and a half to do it. What time is it?
4:30.
Yeah, so about an hour and a half to do 1,000 feet. I think we can do it. We'll be close.
We're approaching the crux. Not sure how close we are yet. I don't know if you can even see anything with this, but kind of just got a drop on either side of us. Nothing too sketchy yet.
We're at the crux. Rick is attempting it now. It's getting light. We might not make it for sunrise, but that's okay.
That is incredible.
With the corn dog.
Last night my pre-hike meal was a large chili cheese tots and a corn dog, but I got 2 corn dogs and I was like, I don't want the second one yet. I'll just save it for the hike.
That is lit.
We made it. It wasn't too bad, honestly, until the last part coming from the saddle to the peak, and then it really just sucked bad. But besides that, it was good.
How about you, Joe? What was it?
Good, cold, super bad, but good.
Yeah.
Just want to thank my mom for making me and allowing me to do this. Take this dog.
It's crazy to think that we started down there. These are way up this ridge line and all the way up.
Dude, that was easy. I'm not even tired.
You know it's a good day when the pants come off.
Dude, I chafed on Lake
And
Wedge. I wasn't looking to chafe again. I
pants are coming off.
too.
So we are here at the Emerald Pools. Joe and Rick might take a dip. Alright. Yeah, we'll see if we can talk them into it. Hopefully they do. It'll be lit.
Hey, 3, 2, 1. was cold, but I'm already warming up again. Can't really ask for a clearer, more beautiful pool of water to jump into on a mountain hike though.
I know I say this every time, but that might have been the hardest hike I've ever done in my entire life. Distance-wise, elevation-wise, just all of it. It was the perfect storm, perfect sunrise.